ready to be mesmerized by Sophie Rain, the 20-year-old rising star from Florida who's taking over social media with her stunning fashion sense and captivating dance moves. With over 7.6 million followers on TikTok, Sophie has become a trendsetter, known for her energetic dance videos and her effortless ability to light up any room. Not only does Sophie have the moves, but her sense of style is off the charts. Whether it's casual streetwear or glamorous looks, Sophie Rain knows how to make a fashion statement. Her 2.3 million Instagram followers can't get enough of her unique fashion and lifestyle content. Her personal connection with fans makes her stand out. From sharing fun snaps on Snapchat to engaging with her audience on platforms like Snipfeed, Sophie's bubbly personality and authenticity have won the hearts of many. Sophie Rain is more than just a dancer and fashionista. She's a young woman making her mark as a digital creator, setting trends and inspiring millions with her creativity and positive energy. From TikTok to Instagram, Sophie Rain is shining brighter every day. Follow her journey as she continues to share her love for fashion, dance, and life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on Sophie Rain's amazing journey. Check out her links below to follow her on social media.